If I were to sit here and tell you to network with 25 people over the next 2 months, you're going to be emailing people that make 100k a month, 10k a month, have established businesses and are fucking killing it in the business that they're in, right? But what you guys need to understand is that your perception on networking as a whole is completely fucked. You need to drop the ego and network with everyone in certain layers, right? So you've got layer 1, which is the guys that make a couple hundred a month, maybe 1 or 2k. You've got layer 2, which are the guys that are doing 4, 5, 6k, decently established. And then you've got layer 3, which are the guys that are absolutely fucking killing it. They're making 10, 20, 30k a month. Money is no problem for them, right? But I'm making this video to say that instead of just networking with these layer 3 guys, you need to be networking with the layer 1 guys, because you can leverage them to make a fuck ton of money. And that is all that is happening in this social media space right now. It's why you are buying courses. It's why you're buying mentorships, because you are layer 1. And those guys that are at the top making very good money, they are networking with the guys such as yourself in the layer 1. Now, how can you personally do this to make a fuck ton of money before you're actually making a fuck ton of money? Let's say you go to a graphic design college, you do banners, you do profile pictures, etc. There are probably like a couple hundred people that go to that one graphic design college, and let's say the classes are in groups of 30 or 60, right? You can then go to a couple people that you know in that group of 30 or 60, and you can say to them, look, I've got a graphic design business. I know that you're really good at graphic design and I want you to work for me. Because they're broke, they're going to want to work for you, and they're going to want to work really, really hard so that they can be part of a business and that they can make a ton of money, right? Who wouldn't want to work for a business of a friend that is in their class? Now, you can go to Upwork, you can go to Fiverr, you can go to all of these places where you post listings for graphic design and jobs and stuff. And you can say, right, I can do professional graphic design for you for £100, £150, £200, depending on the job. I'm not really sure what the graphic design pricing range is right now. I don't really pay attention to the market, but you can charge a very decent amount, which is a little higher than the industry standard. And then you can then go to your classmates that are working for you as contractors, and you can say, look, per graphic design, I'm going to pay you £50. And then you can just profit the £100, £150 difference and just outsource it to the people that are in your class. Instead of trying to hire someone from the Philippines, from China, fucking Bangladesh, you can just use the power of networking with layer 1 individuals, and you can make a bunch of money that way. Plus, you know that you're going to be working with people that are hardworking and that won't fuck you about, and that there's no time zone difference. It's literally the perfect formula to make a bunch of money. Now, another way that this type of networking is beneficial is that if you are making people in your class money, right? Because of course you may be selling like 10, 15 listings a week. So your contractors are making like consistently a couple hundred a week, which is much more than what a 9 to 5 would be. And then you yourself, you're making fuck tons of money because you're of course upselling it with a 2, 3, even 4 multiplier, right? But while you're making your classmates money, aka the people who are on layer 1, you are building that relationship, you are building the working friendship, and they're only going to become more loyal of a companion to you because you're making them money. And chances are, if you're making someone money, of course they're going to fucking like you. That's why the people who I personally mentor and I make them a bunch of money, of course they're going to like me because I've changed their life, I've made them a bunch of money. Now that is a networking concept which I teach the people that I mentor. I've got a bunch of other concepts and ideas which I tell the people that I mentor. But of course, the main reason why I made this YouTube channel is to provide as much value as physically possible to the people watching my videos in the shortest time possible. I don't want to sit here for 3 hours and tell you guys about fucking everything. I want to sit here, a couple minute video, and tell you guys how you can make money and how you can make money today or within the next week or 2. So I hope this information was extremely valuable to you. If you need help with actually implementing this business strategy, there is a Calendly booking link in the description of this video. Click it, give a reason why you booked the call, and then we can talk one-on-one and we can make a fuck ton of money together. But besides that, have a great day and peace out, boys.